Everyone in this world is curious to know who is the richest person globally and how many trillionaires there are. So, let their curiosities be put at an end in this post, because I will inform you about the 10 trillionaires in the universe. So in this video, we are going to discuss how many trillionaires are there in the world today. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. There are 46.8 million millionaires in the globe who control a combined $158.3 trillion in wealth. Additionally, Forbes reports that there are 2,153 billionaires. How so many trillionaires exist, though? What qualifies as a trillionaire initially? A trillionaire is someone whose net wealth is greater than $1 trillion. It is 12 zeros in number and is often referred to as 10 to the 12th degree. It's 1 million, or to be more precise, it's an enormous number that is difficult to comprehend. A trillionaire might be able to give $140 to every individual on the earth who is currently alive. That is a stunning sum of cash to have in one's possession. A trillionaire could give $140 to every person on Earth who is currently alive. That is a stunning sum of money to have in one's possession. It is difficult to imagine how someone could accumulate so much wealth. However, there are a few ways that it could happen. One way would be to start a successful business and then grow it into a multi-billion-dollar company. Another way would be to inherit a large fortune from a wealthy family. Whatever the way, it is clear that becoming a trillionaire is a very rare achievement. A trillionaire is a person with a net worth of over $1 trillion. 1 trillion is a very large number, and it is difficult to comprehend just how much money it is. To put it in perspective, if you were to give every person on Earth $140, you would still have $100 billion left over. Elon Musk, net worth $228 billion. Elon Musk FRES is a businessman, tycoon, and entrepreneur born on June 28, 1971. He served as the CEO and one of the company's earliest substantial shareholders in Tesla, a maker of electrical vehicles. Elon Musk co-founded 6 businesses, including the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla, the rocket manufacturer SpaceX, and the entrepreneur Boring Corporation. Combining shares and choices, he represents around 25% of Tesla, but he has given over 50% of that ownership as security for financing. After just a financing transaction in May 2022, SpaceX started in 2002 and will be valued at $127 billion, quadrupling in value in just 3 years. In April 2022, Boring Corporation, which seeks to eliminate congestion, acquired $675 million at a $5.7 billion value. The management of Twitter decided to sell the firm to Musk in April 2022 for $44 billion after Musk revealed a 9.1% share and launched a takeover attempt. Jeff Bezos, net worth $144 billion. Jeffrey Preston Bezos, an American billionaire, media tycoon, inventor, software designer, and commercial astronaut, was born on January 12, 1964. He was the company's owner, executive chairperson, and previous director and CEO. Jeff Bezos, a native of Seattle, founded the enormous online store Amazon in his basement in 1994. He resigned from his position as CEO in July 2021 to take the executive chairmanship. He currently has somewhat less than 10% of the business. After 25 years of wedding, Bezos and his wife Mackenzie split in 2019, and during that time, he gave her a fourth of his then 16% Amazon ownership. In 2022, Bezos gave away more than $400 million in stock to charitable organizations, but it is unknown which ones. Bezos is the founder of the Washington Post and Blue Origin, a rocket development business. In July 2021, he conducted a brief space flight in one. Bernard Arnold, net worth $141 billion. The biggest luxury goods firm in the globe, LVMH Mott Hennessy Louis Vuitton SA is headed by Bernard Arnault, a French entrepreneur born in Roubaix, France on March 5, 1949. He is mainly remembered as its president and CEO. Louis Vuitton, Sephora, and 70 other style and beauty businesses are all under Bernard Arnault's direction at the LVMH conglomerate. As the largest luxurious business purchase in history, Tiffany & Co. was purchased by LVMH in January 2021 for $15.8 billion. Bellmer, a premium accommodation company that operates 46 resorts, railways, and river excursions, was acquired by LVMH for $3.2 billion in 2019. His father amassed a modest wealth in the building industry, and Arnold got his start by investing $15 million from that enterprise in the 1985 purchase of Christian Dior. Frederic, Delphine, Antoine, and Alexander, 4 of Arnold's 5 kids, are employed by various divisions of the LVMH group. Bill Gates. Net worth $111 billion. William Henry Gates III is a rich American businessman, computer programmer, entrepreneur, writer, and philanthropist, born on October 28, 1955. Together with his deceased childhood friend Paul Allen, he co-founded Microsoft. And over 1% of Google's assets, or almost $20 billion, are currently held by Bill Gates. Cascade Holdings, a family office, handles many of Gates' economic holdings. He also owns a sizable amount of real estate and an assortment of antiques. Bill Gates expanded his interests and used his riches from the software company Microsoft to make assets in clean energy. Bill and Melinda Gates revealed on Twitter in May 2021 that their 27-year marriage was approaching its end. They continue to serve as the Gates Foundation's joint presidents. Mark Zuckerberg. Net worth $71 billion. American corporate entrepreneur, technology pioneer, and philanthropic Mark Elliott Zuckerberg. He is well known for establishing Meta Platforms, the parent organization of the social networking site Facebook, and for being the founder of Facebook. He serves as the firm's president, chief executive officer, and majority owner. When Zuckerberg was 19 years old, he created Facebook at Harvard so that students could search for friends by name and view their images. In May 2012, he made Facebook public. As of now, he holds roughly 13% of the corporation's equity. In November 2021, Facebook changed its name to Meta to reflect the corporation's emphasis on the virtual world. Competition lawsuits filed by regions and federal authorities that may have compelled Facebook to give off Instagram and WhatsApp were rejected by a judge in June 2021. Zuckerberg and his wife, Priscilla Chan, announced their intention to donate 99% of their Facebook stock throughout their careers in December 2015. Mukesh Ambani. Net worth $83.7 billion. An Indian entrepreneur worth $1 billion is Mukesh Ambani. He is the chairperson and chief executive of Reliance Industries Limited, one of the most valued corporations in India in terms of market capitalization, and a member of the Times International 500. Reliance Industries, with a $104 billion sales market cap with holdings in petrochemical products, oil and gas, telecom, and commerce, is chaired and operated by Mukesh Ambani. His deceased father, yarn trader Dhirubhai Ambani, established Reliance in 1966 as a little fabric firm. Ambani and his younger sibling Anil divided the family business after their father passed away in 2002. Jio, a 4G phone and broadband service launched by Reliance in 2016, set off a price war in the telecom industry. With more than 420 million customers, it is preparing to roll out 5G capabilities. Ambani is refocusing Reliance on renewable energy. In addition to spending $80 billion on sustainable power over the following 10 to 15 years, the firm is developing a new facility adjacent to its refineries. Steve Ballmer. Net worth $88.4 billion. From 2000 to 2014, Microsoft was headed by Stephen Anthony Ballmer, a commercial mogul and entrepreneur from the US. The energetic former CEO of Microsoft, Steve Ballmer, served in that position from 2000 until 2014. Ballmer guided Microsoft through attempts to close the gap between Google in search functions and Apple in cell devices after the initial dot-com meltdown. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.